In 1978, 5 mentally disabled men went to a basketball game. They never made it home. The Yuba County 5 were found 70 miles away from home, in the opposite direction. Their car abandoned on a mountain road, but that was just the beginning. Months later, searchers found 4 bodies in a remote forest trailer. What they discovered made no sense. One man had survived for months in freezing conditions. Food surrounded him, canned goods, supplies, everything he needed to live, but he chose to starve instead. His body showed he had lost over half his weight. He died of starvation while sitting next to enough food to last weeks. The trailer had a propane heater, warm clothes, blankets. He used none of it. Gary Mathias was never found. His fate remains unknown. What happened in those final months? What made a man choose death over the food right beside him? The Yuba County 5 case asks one terrifying question. What could be so frightening that starving to death seemed like the better option?